Now I'm going to talk to you about calories. Calories aren't just calories. There's calories from fats, from good fats, from bad fats, from carbohydrates, from proteins. There's the macronutrients. You've also got your micronutrients, so the small stuff, the important stuff like the vitamins and minerals that we get out of our food as well. Now let's take a protein calorie. Now your body actually takes a hell of a lot longer and a hell of a lot more energy to actually break that calorie down, to digest that calorie. Fats and carbs from calories, however, tend to take a lot less than your protein calories do to digest. So 100 calories of fat or carbohydrate is usually ending up being 100 calories in the body. Now let's look at calories from sugar. Now I'm sure you've heard it all, but sugar is literally one of the worst things we can eat. Not only is it incredibly addictive, but it shoots up our glucose levels in our blood. And when we have high glucose levels, we don't burn it as much, which means we get it stored as fat in the body. Load up with carbs if you're gonna eat them in the morning before 2 p.m. If we have our carbohydrates in the morning, we've got the whole day ahead of us to actually burn that energy or burn that glucose. It's really critical for you to give yourself a little bit of a cheat meal. The other one is carbs aren't actually that bad for you if you're choosing the right one. Choose berries over things such as watermelon. Oh, don't just go for your packaged crap from the supermarket. Go to your local baker and get a really good ground sourdough or rye. When I'm making my pasta dishes, pump up a whole bunch of veggies in there, even put it into a soup and some proteins. And because what you'll do is actually you'll be filling up on your vegetables and your proteins. You're not just gonna fill up on one giant bowl of pasta. So you're still getting your pasta hit, you're not feeling like you're missing out, but you're getting all the good stuff in there as well.